Hello there and welcome to another tutorial video. Okay, so in this video we'll be looking at the quickest way you can reverse a wrongfully transferred mobile money, okay, specifically MTN. Okay, so most of the times we mistakenly enter the wrong numbers. Okay, so the problem is you might input the wrong number, but one specific digit might send the money to a different user, okay, by just making a silly mistake. Okay, so we are going to look at a simple approach as to how to reverse these wrong transactions. Okay, so one thing you need to know is that you have to opt for the reverse of the transaction within 30 days. Okay, so you have a period of 1 month to do the reverse. So one thing you have to keep in mind is that you have to do the reverse, okay, as soon as possible, as quick as you can, else you might not get the your money back. Okay, so even though it's for 30 days, okay, you have up to 30 days to do the reverse. You have to act fast so that you can get back your money. Okay, right. So in case you are new to this channel and you want to see more of these videos, I would urge you to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on future videos. Like the video, share so that others will see, okay, or it could be of great help to others who might find this video a blessing or helpful. Okay, without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, so we all know that trying to send money or trying to make purchase a bundle for someone else or anything of that sort could require strict attention, okay, because you might end up inserting a wrong digit within a number, and then the money or bundle or data might be sent to someone else. It might have happened to you, might have happened to someone you know or whatsoever. Okay, so we are going to look at the quickest way we can get our money back or data back or our airtime back. Okay, so most of the time you use *170 and then you go ahead to do the transaction, but we are going to use the backdoor approach. Okay, I'm going to show you a step-by-step approach as to how to reverse this transaction. So let's dive right into that. Now, this is the quickest way you can reverse MTN mobile money transfer. Okay, so first you need to call 100. So the MTN customer service is 100 is toll free. Okay, so all you have to do is just dial 100 and then you call. Okay, after calling you choose option 1, which is English. That's if you want to report the case in English. There are other options where you can choose your preferred language. It could be Twi, Asante Twi, it could be Fanti, it could be Hausa, it could be Dagati, it could be whatever language. Okay, right, Yoruba or whatever. Okay, irrespective of the language you speak. Okay, so just call 100 and select your language. After that, you choose 3 for mobile money. So you'll be prompted to choose an option. Okay, so you are going for mobile money, so choose option 3. Okay, choose option 3 for mobile money, and then you choose 5 to speak with an agent. Okay, so after dialing 100, you choose your preferred language, and then you choose option 3, that's for mobile money services, and then you choose option 5 to speak to an agent, because without speaking to an agent you cannot do the reversal. Okay, so let's proceed. Now, once you've chosen the option to speak to an agent, you'll be automatically connected to an agent. Okay, so once you are connected to an agent, once you are connected to the agent, you just provide your details. The details could be so you provide details of the wrong transaction. Okay, so the details could be your phone number, the amount, okay, phone number, amount, and then the phone number you made a transaction to, and all that. Okay, the agent will just ask you for those details and then you provide them. Again, this has to be done within 30 days, but I will advise you to do it as early as possible. Okay, after the wrong transaction, you just go ahead, call, and then follow this procedure and do the reversal. Okay, so that you can get your money back. There's a catch at the end. Make sure to stay till the end so that you know when you will receive the money or the airtime or whatever. Okay, because MTN has certain rules when it comes to that. Okay, so let's proceed. So after giving the details, that's after being connected to the agent and then giving the wrong details, giving the details for the wrong transaction, you'll be asked to confirm the amount and then the number you sent to, as I've already stated. You'll be given what, after being connected to the agent, you'll be given the opportunity to give out your details and then give further details on the wrong number you sent to and then the amount you sent to. Okay, that's in case you sent mobile money. Okay, now so you have to give the correct figure of the amount, okay, wrongly transacted, and the number sent to. I've already highlighted that. You give the exact number you sent to and then you give the exact amount you sent to that number, okay, because after sending the number, MTN will send you a prompt that you sent the number to this number, okay, a specific number. So that will help you know the number you sent to and the amount you sent, okay, right? So after that, you receive an SMS once the report is lodged. So all this procedure is for lodging the complaint that you want a reversal because you sent money to a wrong number, okay? So after going through this process, okay, calling, being connected to the agent, giving the details of giving your own details and giving details of the wrong transaction, you receive an SMS, okay, highlighting that your complaint has been lodged. Now, give time for the claim to be investigated and established, okay? So now, this is where the caveat comes in. After you receive the SMS, you need to wait so that MTN will investigate and then establish that yes, it's true. You've sent this amount to this wrong number, okay, and that usually takes around 15 days. It's not exactly 15 days, okay, so it's usually within 15 days. So from day 1 to 15, they should be done with the investigation, okay. That's where they tend to block the mobile money or whatever they do, okay, right? So after approval, so after waiting within 15 days, and then after their investigation, they will approve, okay? So approval of the claim will result in your reversal being processed. Now, after they've investigated and then they've ended up noticing that your complaint was true and all that, they will approve it so that your reversal will be processed. So once your reversal is being processed, that's where you have you tend to get your money back, okay? Now, this is a catch. Let's look at the catch. Now, it states that mobile money reversal takes place within 15 days, as you initially stated, okay? That's where the investigation takes place, okay? From the day reported, okay? So from the day reported, that's after you receive the SMS regarding the reports being lodged, okay? Now, you will receive an SMS once the transaction is reversed. Now, after the complaint being lodged and then investigation, all takes within 15 days, you tend to get an SMS once the transaction is being reversed, okay? Now, this is the catch. Even though it can take 15 days, you will likely get your money reversed within 48 to 72 hours, okay? Now, even though it takes 15 days for the reversal to be done, you will usually get your money back, okay, within 3 days, okay? That's the max, 72 hours, okay? So around 3 days, you'll get your money back, okay? That's how you can quickly, or the quickest way you can reverse MTN mobile money transfer, okay? It could be in Ghana, it could be in Nigeria, South Africa, it doesn't matter, irrespective of the country you find yourself. Just follow this procedure and then you'll be good to go, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to share to a friend who needs to quickly do a reversal of a wrong transaction, okay, so that it will help them, get their money back, because it could be sometimes frustrating, okay, to send the money wrongly to an MTN user, okay, and then you don't even know how to get the money back, okay, right? So in case you want to see more of these videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on future videos. Like the video, share so that it gets pushed to other people who are in need of this video, okay? And then I will see you in the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.